it's Shahe and
Reme.
from Shahe and
Reme.
Two cute sisters. And today we are going to be unboxing a bunch of 99 and poetry things.
Yep.
That was way too loud. Okay, first, always do different things, okay? First, I'm going to unbox my Slinky. What are you going to do? Oh, and we'll also, if we can, play with them. For like
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane? This is called a magic spring, not a Slinky on the box, but I know it's a Slinky. The world knows it's a Slinky, and if it's not
Oh,
Slinky,
it's so loud because it doesn't have
Stop
a
talking.
container.
and start unboxing.
So I do like this.
I don't care about this box. I just want to play with Slinky right now. Hopefully this isn't a super tangly one. Oh my gosh. It's so bouncy. Guys, you know?
I'm so excited to unbox it.
No. Okay. Oh my gosh. Guys, like, it's like super bouncy because of how big it is. So it doesn't like stay together. It bounces so much. Oh my
This is the
God.
magic spring. Can I bring the scissors here so that we can...
Do you want me to help you?
No.
Because
I
I
don't
don't.
do myself.
Okay. You try and do it without the scissors. I can help you. I'm trying not to use the scissors. Okay, I'm going to see if you can stand.
Okay. No, let's go do it.
Okay, but don't use the scissors.
I said I could just go get it to use it.
But they're my scissors.
Can I please?
Okay, fine.
Ew. Oh my gosh.
Okay, but you know that. Okay, can I feel it?
Yes, okay.
Thanks.
I also have one with big balls.
Yeah. I also have that type. Can you help that if you can't do it with that after that one cut? I could have helped you open it with that one cat, or even without it, but now you ruined it. I can help you with that.
No thanks.
Can I like have a turn to play with all of it?
All of it?
Yeah.
That's what I meant.
Okay. Thanks.
You get a turn and I get a turn.
Do you want to play with my Slinky? Or no, since you already have one?
No thanks?
Okay, guys, wait. We're going way too slow, so we're gonna hurry up. Hurry up, please.
Can you pause it?
Okay, sure. We'll be right back. I want to get another one. Okay, now we're filming.
Okay.
Do I get another one or no?
What?
Do I get another turn or no?
No.
Wah.
We unfilmed for the other turn.
Yeah, we swear I got one, and my sister's not a weird person who didn't actually want to give me a turn.
Hey, look. Now it doesn't need a cap. It just, because it didn't come with a cap.
I like this big thing because it's harder to get tangled than my little one. Like, and I can wear it as a necklace. And a belt. And it's like so tall. Like, if I stretched it, I think it could be as tall as me. If I actually stretched it long enough to be as tall as me, I think it can.
Maybe.
Okay, now, next unboxing thing. We took way too long time. Can you give me the scissors? Yeah. Okay.
My
Garbage. Oh my gosh, I'm totally doing this. I'm doing all the prompts first. I don't want to scratch my nose, so I'm going to do this. Okay.
Hey, what did you unbox when I did this?
Wait, no, my Slinky.
Oh, yeah. Slinky. I'm waiting for the scissors.
Oh, yeah. It's fine. They're at the back.
Look, I don't want it.
You don't?
Yeah. True.
It's so
I don't want you. Actually, I do want you.
so cool.
Wait, can you open it without scissors? And without, like, open it like this.
Like open it like that?
Like, perfect circle. Like how it is. It's a yes or no question if you try and ruin it. Try
No, I
to.
can't. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the next thing since we're running out of time. Okay, guys, I'm just going to tell something. They're going to bed.
Yeah, but we're staying up. Don't worry.
Yeah, we make videos for you even if it's at 12:30 p.m. Yeah, it is. I mean a.m. Oh my gosh, it's purple.
Okay, now wait. Oh yeah. Now
I
I'm
want to
gonna
feel that so bad. Can I?
Yeah, and they feel the same texture. No.
You can play mine since it's orange.
No.
You let me play with your other one.
No.
Please. You don't have to, but please. It doesn't have to be all at the same time.
Yeah.
Oh wait, it can be?
Yeah.
Oh, this one's way
I
better.
actually love this because
This one's way better.
It actually comes with this little thing.
Yeah, this one's way more like I expected it. I like this one. Good thing I got this one and not the other
Can
one.
I have it?
Okay, this one's so
Can I
much
have
better.
it? Yes.
I put on some of my lipstick. Lip balm.
Yeah. We don't use lipstick much.
But
Mm-hmm.
we do it sometimes to dress up and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna open my Charlie flavored, or it's called Charlie Remy Rose lip gloss. You wanna put some on?
No, please.
Okay. I'm trying to do all of my physics last.
I'm going to do all my slimes first, but physics last. Physics that aren't slime last, but slimes always first. So,
Well,
guess
this
what's
color-
next? Or guess not? My slime. Next time. Oh yeah, this totally needs scissors. You know?
it doesn't.
It doesn't.
Can I play with that?
No.
Why not? I don't have slime like that. You can play with my slime because I am letting you make it.
No.
What do you mean now? No, you don't want to make it? Or?
No, I don't allow you to play with this. I let you play with the other one, the first one that's yellow.
But I like you play with all my things that you want to play with.
Yeah, he's actually out.
Please.
No.
Why not?
Wait, is this part?
Make me that. Just play with the little time.
Oh.
Fine.
Fine, only a little. It has glitter, by the way.
Has glitter. Oh my gosh, so guys.
I got out the ball. The
Glow ball.
Wait,
I think when you press it, it's like.
we can't. When we throw it.
Okay, but I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be in the sun. Oh my gosh, guys, this is like kind of stretchy, but it's also snappy. It's so cool.
Hey, don't make it touch the floor.
I'm not going to. Can I see that one?
Look.
Oh my gosh, can I try that with my slime?
After I do it one more
Wait,
time.
can you give me the container?
No.
I just want to try a fart thing. Wait, can you give me all the slime so I can actually try the fart thing? So you can have
After everything
it's glowing.
I can put this into any slime, even this one, this pink.
Okay, right.
But it's not see-through, so I might.
It's glowing, and if I have all the slime so that I can try the fart thing. I'm gonna try and see if this makes a farting noise.
It's farts. It glows.
It's glittering. The only part is one.
Now can you give it?
Sure. Okay.
Do Shaggy, I wanted to use that on it.
I accidentally took it off. I'm gonna go next while you do what you do. Okay. Oh. Oh yeah, this I want to unbox it so bad. See which one I got. Close my eyes. I hope for the unicorn one. The unicorn one. Oh my gosh!
She got the unicorn one.
I swear. Look. I swear I didn't know this. It's flavored chocolate ice cream. It's purple. It smells not so bad.
You're trash. Now I'm doing my squishy.
Okay, next up I'm doing my Reme one.
Squishy.
Okay, I'm gonna
Now
there because I have so much more sauce.
another squishy.
This is
Unicorn.
colored, I'm sure. Yeah, these are my lips before, and I'll show you after. Okay, guys, we have to go. We'll make a part 2.